Hello, everyone. We've done it. Week one is now in the books. Uh, so please make sure you get out and do something fun this weekend, keeping, in mind social distancing and all those other things, terms that have now entered our life. Um, but now on for today's assignment, we'll be looking at the aftermath of World War II. So when you open the assignment, today for the attendance, again, you're going to click turn it in for attendance, but also I want you to be aware that on Monday, March 23rd, on Schoology, you'll be able to redo units 9, 10, and 11 from 8 a.m. to noon. All right. So, on to today's assignment, the aftermath of World War II. So there's going to be some creativity involved in today's activity, as you need to pretend that the year is 1945 and World War II is finally ended. You are a television broadcaster on location in one of these countries, so either France, Germany, Poland, the Soviet Union, United Kingdom, or Japan. And you're going to select just one of these countries to create a news story for. A news story for. You're just writing the transcript. Okay, so you don't need to record a video. It is just creating the transcript of the news story. What is going on in your country, the country that you select. Um, and so whichever country you select, you're going to record that here and you'll click on the link and it'll bring you to information, or you can use the mini unit 11. So let's say you decide to do the Soviet Union, click on it, read, you know, and then use that information to help you create a story, So it could be start with, live from Moscow. It is the ABC news team. Dot 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 dot. All right. Um, as always, if you have any other questions or any questions, please email. And again, for attendance, please make sure you click the turn in button. I hope everything else is going well. And again, do something fun this weekend. Take care and